Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the My Manage Apps and Device, Updates Available. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps, so you can update them by tapping this update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you want to update them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.